The no parts, no problem. In the world of automotive electronics, sometimes the diagnostic tool says no communication and the replacement part is discontinued. That's when you stop being a part swapper and start being a maker. In this video, my husband building tester and mapping the circuit logic by hand. I'm walking you through. When you stop looking for a part number and start looking the logic of the circuit, you can fix almost anything. If you don't have a manual or a diagnostic code, you have to map the logic of the machine yourself. When your hand moves where the electricity will go, you understand the machine's personality. Every great build starts with a clear space. Before you lay down that copper board, clear the bench. You aren't just making a circuit. You are performing surgery. Contamination is the enemy of a long-term solder joint. Every great build starts on paper. I mapped out the contact points and circuit paths before transferring the design to a copper-clad board. Precision is key here, as this board will manage all the signal routing for the tester old board using a small adapter plate. Label everything. Use a label maker for wires and ports so future repairs are easier. Schematic mapping. Draw out the circuit you just built. If it breaks again in 5 years, you won't have to start from scratch. Stripping wires, using the heat gun on shrink tubing, and applying the protective coating to the connectors. For the connectors, a layer of clear protective coating helps prevent oxidation, ensures long-term reliability in the field. Filing down metal components in the vise, soldering the main copper board, and using the Dremel for fine adjustments. I'm filing down the custom mounts and soldering the main traces. By hand-tinning the copper paths, I'm increasing the current capacity and making the board rugged enough for any shop environment. Use a potentiometer to simulate the signal the machine expects to see. This helps you confirm if the rest of the unit is still functional. Take a high-resolution photo of the original board and your custom board. Use a digital tablet to draw your schematic directly over the photo. It bridges the gap between the physical layout and the logical circuit. A world where most shops just want to plug in a scanner and swap a part number, taking the time to actually map the logic of a circuit is a lost art. If you found this deep dive helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. The goal isn't just to fix it today, it's to make sure that 5 years from now, when the next tech opens this up, they can see the logic you left behind. I know your time is valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the bench in the next one.